This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, December 20th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You'll see some cloudiness with some rain and snow across the middle part of the country, with some blizzard conditions over Kansas into Colorado and northeastern New Mexico. The watch warning map from just after midnight sees the blizzard warnings continue over Colorado, Kansas, the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle, and New Mexico, with winter storm warnings and weather advisories surrounding that, while the rest of the nation is fairly quiet. KPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This is due Saturday at 6 p.m. You can see the heaviest amounts of precipitation will stay well off to our south and east, with upwards of 2 to 3 inches possible from Houston northeastward into the mid-Atlantic. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 6 p.m. this evening, you can see there's the energy over Kansas and into Missouri, with another piece of energy hanging back over Baja California. The storm will be clipping the far southern and southeastern counties. There'll be enough moisture around to maybe have a light sprinkle, light flurry, but more heavy precipitation for the south. By Wednesday, that system moves off to the east. Cooler conditions will prevail, with another weaker system moving into the Rockies. That'll dive southward into Colorado, New Mexico, and into Kansas, while rain will continue over the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. That system moves off, and could be a flurry here Friday as that weak disturbance moves into Missouri and eastern Kansas. By Saturday, still we're fairly quiet, while the main batch of precipitation will still be off to our east with some rain and mountain snow there. We head into Christmas Day. Looks fairly cool around here. Highs in the 20s to near 30, with likely no snow on the ground. Go after Christmas, the 26th. The temperatures begin to warm slightly. Southwesterly winds begin to take hold. Temperatures jumping back at least to near or slightly above 30. A week from today, the 27th, still a fairly quick west-east flow across the country, with the air mainly coming from the Pacific, and that'll keep temperatures at least not from getting too cold and not seeing many Arctic outbreaks coming. It'll also give us some quick storm systems, with one off to our west and over the Great Lakes. We head further into the month. Here's New Year's Eve, and still the pattern still remains. The upper level flow coming in from the west, bit of a ridge over Baja California, and with a quick system moving through, we could see maybe some snow showers, flurries. Nothing too much, at least at this point, that could be accumulating. At the end of the forecast, January the 4th, bit of a ridge developing over the Plain States, with a bit of a trough over the northeast and the Pacific Northwest. And with that, we could see a high pressure over the Ohio Valley that'll bring maybe some cooler conditions then, with some warmer conditions following in the Plain States. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.